Welcome to everyone, Super Global Host. Today we show how can we import bank statement to reconcile those statement with our invoice or bills or other expense. So you see this is the bank journal. So there have three option in three way we can get our statement. This is one we can manually create. If we click this create button, then we can create, or we can there have option to import, and another we can automatic reconcile this one. So we need to connect this with our bank. So by this it will automatically. So now we show how we can import. I click this bank. You see there have already some entry, those are in validate state. So at first when you go to import bank statement, then at first you download this existing file, this format, this column row. Then it will easy for you to enter the new entry. You just get your bank statement download. You just go to your bank, for example using any bank, sub bank, or any Al Jazeera bank, or any bank. In every bank there have one statement, so from there you just download the statement, and after that you put those statement in Excel sheet and upload here. So we need one Excel sheet. So I just here have the bank statement, all the bank statement. This is the bank journal. There have the different view. This is the view, list view. This is another view. So we need to come in list view. Now it already list view, and you need to click here. You need to check which is entry you need to export. For example, I do not want to all, is enough for me. And after that, for my case I just select all, no problem. From action you need to click export. So it will export one Excel sheet. Before export Excel sheet, it gives some configuration. Those already those field will be export. We need some additional field for our case. If there need some more information, for example we need statement line and amount, then we need date, and we need label. So these are okay. Those four additional thing we add there, and we click export. So it export one Excel sheet. So this Excel sheet it exported. So now I just this is in from Mac. So it open on this number. If you have Windows, then it open in Excel sheet. Otherwise you can use Google Sheet also. You just upload this one in your Google Sheet. So those are the field. So we want to import our some additional field. For example, those are existing field. Maybe we have a bank sheet, there have some changes. For example, this is salary, but in bank there are first this is called annual annual fish, and maybe we did not want to upload that much data. We just check by 2 or 3. Copy this one and the data. Okay, so this four we want to check by those four data. This is the annual fish, This is the data. What is the ending balance in your system? This we can check from here. This is the ending balance. It's not mandatory, but we just check this one. So in our case, we put this our starting balance, and we can set the amount here. Amount, for example, there have we amount. We just for demo purpose we put a small amount, 100. There we have 200, again 100, again. Those data you can put from your bank statement. This is for 7, date this is for 8, this is for 9, this we can set 30. This is on date. Label also we can change. This is label 4, this is label 7, this is label 9. So we can set this label, and this is the statement line. So also you can change. This is 4, this is 6, this is 8. As your bank you can put those data. This is I just changing, it is not real data. For that, if you when you have real data in your bank statement, from there you just put those fill up those field, or you can open your bank statement in a Excel sheet and make those column, and you just arrange this column left side right side and make same. So this is the starting balance, and this is the ending balance. You see here I put the amount 100, so it should be ending balance 500, 5228. This is the starting balance, and again we have amount 200, so we also add 200 with this amount. Then this is 5, and it will be 328. This also I set this amount here as a starting balance. Again here amount 100, I just add 100 here. Add 100 here, 154228. Okay, then again we take this amount here as a starting balance, and there 300 we add here, so it will be 5728. So in this way you can change. We do not need the data, we just avoid those one, and this is one. And date also we can change. We can change this date. For example, here we can put 6, here we put 7, here we put 8, 9, here we put 30, and also here we can change. Here we can put 7, here we can put 8, here we can put 9. So in this way we can make. So you can use any Excel sheet. For if you have Mac, then you can use number, and from here you need one Excel sheet. So from number we can get this Excel sheet in this way. So this the Excel sheet name is account.bank. Now I back to my dashboard. Here I can open this bank statement, this journal dashboard from bank, and you get one button. This is called favorite. From here have one, you get one button, import record. Just click this import record, then click load file, and from this file I select this one and click. So this data will be loaded. So we can check test. There show one error, unknown error during import. Three rows. Maybe it is the case for bank statement line. We do not want to import this one now. Check. Now it is okay. So bank statement line, we do not we do it manually later, and we import this one. So this 4 record is imported. See, this is the previous, this status is valid, is processing, and those 4 we get this data. So now if we have the amount, for example, if we have a vendor bill, or we have customer invoice, or any expense, rent expense or employee salary expense, so those we can reconcile by this statement, by clicking in this way. Just we click this one. At first we open this one, and after that we need to post this one, and we need to click reconcile. So when we click reconcile, this amount 300. So here see we have no value like this. For example, this 300 for internal transfer. For example, internal transfer, you just select, or if you have any miscellaneous messing or vendor bill, you can choose from here. In this case I select this one, and I just validate this one. So in this way you can validate. I have have another video, just part 1 of this series, bank reconciliation. You just check this one, then you can understand how can you reconcile. There I just create manually, but in this time I upload from a Excel sheet. So in this way you just upload all the entry of from your bank statement, and you can reconcile one by one. So thanks for watching, and there have some other video. For example, how can you batch payment. Batch payment means you have this reconciliation process is lengthy. So what you want to batch reconciliation. At a time you reconcile all your invoice or all your vendor bill. So how can you do those? We can show in the next video of this series. So thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.